All right, so now we're in late April and I'm back to one of my favorite little spring creeks. And this is on a private section. I have a family who owns a piece of property that happens to go next to this very productive creek. And I had a fish that was sipping dry flies. It was a windy day and it was really tough for me to get the presentation out there perfectly so I could run my little, I think I had a little parachute Adams. I wasn't sure what was hatching. That's a great all-purpose dry fly, by the way. Mimics a lot of different things. And I finally made the cast. It was right down the perfect line. I was just waiting for him to come up and grab it because he had been up there. I mean, I must have watched him for 15 minutes just sipping on a regular basis. But I finally made the cast, got the fly in line, and he ate it. And I was shocked on the size of this warrior trout. Pretty cool. Oh, yeah. Let's get this over to him. It's tough, the wind's pushing it away. Wow, that's a big fish. I feel like I'm in a pretty good position. I just got to be able to lay it over by him. There he is. I got him. Oh, perfect cast. Oh my God. Oh, it's a big rainbow. I thought he was a brown. That was so freaking cool. Get on the reel. On the reel. Not much room to play him. That was freaking awesome. Yeah, it's a nice fish. Oh, put him in there. Smart fish. He's trying to break me off the reeds. Gotcha. Look at this guy. That thing's easily 20 inches. Holy crap. Look at that guy. Wow. Perfect. Wow. Look at the size of this guy. That is a quality fish. Holy crap. Come on. We'll show you off. Oh, jeez. Let's cooperate. This guy. Yes! Oh, jeez. Nice. Whew. Now, the cool thing about that trout, too, is these guys are native. So it's extra special when you catch a native fish. Something that's stocked can be fun. Brown trout can be fun, but they're not native. Native and wild, there's just something pretty cool about that.